Yesterday I was watching the press brief, the virtual rally for the opposition political parties. I think it's important as Lusaka province and the former PF member or former PF minister to touch certain things they talked about, my colleagues who are very desperate. They said that UPN is a failed project. We abandoned projects which PF left. Now, my question, immediately when they said that, I realized that who abandoned projects if not Edgar Lungu? When Edgar Lungu took over, we had the bottom road in Southern Province, which was started by Michael Sat. It was abandoned. Who abandoned it? It was Edgar Lungu abandoned that project. We had another road, Leopard Hill Road, going to Chiaba. Who abandoned it? It's Edgar Lungu who abandoned that. Okay? If they are saying they worked as PF, why are they crying for development today? Why are they crying for development? Because they worked. If you ask one of their member Sunday Chanda, he will tell you that he has seen development because of CDF, which was given by UPND, which has been increased by UPND. Even at 60, 70, close to 70, politicians still want to lie. A gang of politicians ganged against it. I know you hate HH. But even if you hate him, please, can you like what he's doing?